Hey everyone, it is the Honey Badger here, and today we are going to do a little bit more work on the 720. When we took the interior out previously, about a year ago, and we worked on painting all of the interior pieces black from the blue, the one thing we didn't do was the shift boot. Obviously it was leather and it was blue. It's also really gross and worn out. That comes up through it. Today we're going to finally get around to replacing that with a new one I purchased. It is black with white stitching. Should match the interior and the exterior of the truck really well and hopefully just be a nice place for it. Does appear to be just a little bit smaller, although I can tell whoever manufactures these does know it's for a Nissan because they wrote on the insides of it like which panels go where and that it is for a 720 or a Datsun. So they do know what it's for and it is meant for the pickup. So we're going to install this today and see what it looks like in a second. And we also do have a new shift knob as well that we're going to install. Just see if all this kind of ties everything together on the interior of the 720. So let's just jump into it. And there we are. We have the new knob in with the Japanese 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reverse. So a little bit different look, kind of like it. And then obviously the new boot, which I like as well. It is a little bit shorter. The old one didn't come all the way up, but it came up probably to about here. So it's a little bit shorter, but I actually like the way it looks. Doesn't bother me at all. Obviously this is worn off nicely from the 190,000 miles of somebody driving and getting probably their hands all over it. We could paint that up, but overall I do really like the way that this looks and the way that it turned out, and I think it looks nice with the rest of the interior, you know, with the white wood grain now through the center as well. So I think it kind of ties it all in. We got the white stitching on the seats as well with the white Sparko on it. So I think this turned out fantastic. I'm really excited with how it looks. So that one we're going to mark off as done for now, and we're going to move on to another interior project here hopefully soon. We're going to be putting some cup holders in the 720 because there are no cup holders. And I go through drive-thrus and I always forget that. And then I have to drive stick shift and have a drink in between my legs and worry about spilling it all over myself. So we're going to address that in, I think, 2 different methods of installing cup holders. And we're not just going to jab them into like the side window things. We're going to actually find a couple places to mount them. At least that's the hope. So we're going to have that coming up here real soon. So make sure you drop a like on this video and you are subscribed so you don't miss the future content like that video. And I'll see all of you guys in the next one.